Hello student, welcome back. In this video, we'll do the solution of question number 3 of exercise 1.3. Your question is, find GOF and FOG if fx is defined by modulus of x and gx is defined by modulus of 5x minus 2. And the second one, fx is defined by 8x cube and gx is x to the power 1 by 3. That means cube root of x. So first we'll find out GOF of x. Let us do it. GOF of x. By definition, it can be written as g of fx. Okay. Then use the given definition of fx. By definition, fx is mod x. So this is mod x. After that, here you use g of x definition. Or if you get it, then it will become what? In the place of x, we have to write the modulus of x. So it become 5 into modulus of x plus 2. This is the solution of GOF of x. And if you get it difficult to do like this directly, then you can name it as y. It becomes g of y. G of y will be equal to 5y minus 2. Then replace what is y. Y means mod x. Two more extra lines you have to write in that case. Okay. The second one, FOG of x. FOG of x means f of gx. Okay. So first you have to use the definition of gx. What is gx? This one. After that, the next f of this one we have got. So suppose you think it as y. Then what you have to write down? G of y. Sorry. F of y. F of y means modulus of y. That means inside modulus, y you have to write, and what is y? Y means this much. So modulus, 2 modulus is there, 5x minus this one. Just directly also you can do. Fx is modulus of x. So in the place of x, we have written modulus of 5x minus 2. So first modulus will be there. In the place of x, we are going to write down this. So 2 modulus will be there. Positive and positive modulus signs will present. So it is sufficient to give 1 modulus. But here you cannot remove the modulus sign. Okay. In this case, because 5 into modulus of x means this is positive. But here in this case, as a whole positive. So you can remove this 2 modulus sign. I hope you understand the solution. Same way we can do the next one. That is, you see, the first is what? Fx equal to 8x cube. And gx equal to x to the power 1 by 3. So GOF of x. It becomes g of fx. Fx value substitute. Fx means 8x cube. If you want to take it as y, it becomes g of y. G of y, in that case, we'll have g of y to the power 1 by 3. What is y? 8x to the power 8x cube to the power 1 by 3. 8 means what? Twice 2 cube and x cube, 2x whole cube. So it becomes 2x whole cube and 1/3 will be cancelled out. So twice x will be left. FOG of x. FOG of x. F of gx. By definition of composite function. F of what is gx? X to the power 1 by 3. Put it in the place of x, directly replacing in the x by x to the power 1 by 3. Here you see x you have to replace by 1 by x to the power 1 by 3. 8 will remains as it is. In the place of x, I am writing x to the power 1 by 3. Again, cube remains as it is. This to the power 3, 1/3 to the power 3, cancel out. What is left? 8x. Sometime it may be asked that so that GOF is not equal to FOG. Simply one more conclusion you can give. Since this is not equal to this one, therefore GOF is not equal to FOG. I hope you understand the solution. Thank you.